how to create a role in Discord. So from within the Discord app on your Discord server, go to the little Discord server drop down menu by selecting the little down arrow at the top here. And then from here, click on the server settings option. From here, over on the left hand side, click on the roles tab. Then you'll be brought to the roles section of your Discord server. So you'll notice right now we have a @everyone role that comes as a default when you create basically your Discord server. So what we'll want to do is go ahead and create a new role. Okay. So the first thing that we'll have to do, of course, is click on the little plus icon that you see up here next to roles. It's kind of small, kind of hard to see. But this is what you're going to have to do to create your first role. So go ahead and click on that. And then you'll notice it's called right now new role. Okay. From here over on the right hand side, you can change the name. So I'll just call this one first week. Okay. So basically the goal of this role is that I'm going to assign it to the people that's their first week after they've joined my Discord server. Okay, then you can set a color. You can either have a default or a custom color, and there's some colors here to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and select green as my color for that role. Now I can go through the role settings here. So display role members separately from online members. I like that. Keeps it more concise and clean in the members section of your Discord channel. Allow anyone to @mention this role. That means members with the mention @everyone, @here, and all roles permission will be able to ping this role. I'm okay with that. I don't want this role to be an administrator. I don't want them to be able to view the audit log. I don't want them to manage the server, manage roles, manage channels, kick members, ban members, create. I'm okay with them creating invites. I'm okay with changing nicknames. Don't really want them to manage nicknames. Don't want them to manage emojis, nor do I want them to manage webhooks. Read text channels and see voice channels. I'm okay with them seeing that, and I'm okay with them sending messages. Okay, I don't want them to send TTDS messages. Manage messages. Members within this permission can delete messages by other members or pin any message. I don't really want that, so I'm going to leave that there. Okay. Embedded links and attached files. Read message history. Mention anyone, blah, blah, blah. Use external emojis. That's okay. Add reactions. Other things. Voice permissions. These options here. Mute members. Don't really want. Deafen members. Don't want that. Move members. Don't really want them to have that option either. Use voice activity. That's fine. And then priority speaker. Don't want them to have that either. So this is a good first week role that I have set here, and I think it's a good option. And that's just basically how you create a role. So I'll go ahead and click on Save Changes. Now I want to add another week. Not another week, another role, and I'm going to call it sysadmin. Okay? And they're going to get the title of a good old, what's a good sysadmin color? We'll go with this orange. Okay. So I want them to have their role displayed separately. I don't want anyone to allow to mention at this role. And basically, I'm going to allow them to be an administrator. Okay, I want to be able to view audit log, manage the server, manage roles, manage channels, kick members, ban members, manage nicknames, manage emojis, manage webhooks, send text-to-speech messages, manage messages, mute members, deafen members, move members. But I don't want them to be a priority speaker. So basically, a sysadmin role for me is just going to be somebody that can manage the server when I'm not around. So that's what that role will be for. So that's how you go about creating and setting roles within your Discord server. So now we'll go back to the main menu here, and we'll go ahead and give some roles to people here. So we got Mew over here on the right hand side. I'll just go ahead and right click on them. Okay. And then from here, we can go ahead and go to down at the bottom where it says roles. Okay. And then from here, I can select either sysadmin or first week. I'm going to give Mew the role of first week. Okay. And now I'll do the same for, I can't pronounce that name. I'll go down to roles and select first week. So now you've noticed that their logos have changed to green, or their usernames have changed to green to represent that they're part of the first week group. So that's how you go about creating roles / assigning them / other things that you can do with them, slash applying permissions. So thank you for watching, and have a good one.